Alright, hi everybody. A quick video on the subject of intermittent fasting and whether or not it helps us lose stored body fat. So, the answer to this is yes. Intermittent fasting is one of the best tools that you can use to get rid of stored body fat. Watch this video and I'll tell you how and why you should be doing it. We'll first talk about what intermittent fasting is. We'll talk about the benefits associated with intermittent fasting with respect to fat loss and other benefits of intermittent fasting. I will talk about how I have incorporated intermittent fasting, which has been the only way which has helped me get into great shape and maintain that kind of shape year long. I will also talk about the experience and what I have seen my clients benefit and get results when they've incorporated intermittent fasting. So watch this video right till the end and you will understand the entire concept really well. Alright, so what is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting says that you should not have an eating pattern like a breakfast, lunch, dinner and stuff like that. You should have a fasting window incorporated in your day. So you should have certain hours in a given day when you should not be eating and certain hours in which you should be. So the ideal recommendation, if you check, is like a 16-hour fasting window and an 8-hour eating window for people doing intermittent fasting. Now, let me tell you this is not necessarily how you should go about doing intermittent fasting. So your intermittent fast can be anything from between 12 hours to 16 hours. I personally have never done a 16-hour fast and I've got great results. I've never even asked others to do it. I feel fasting for 16 hours on an ongoing basis is very tough and people will not be able to make it a lifestyle. But fasting for 12 hours is really easy and a lot of people can do it. Additionally, if you can't do intermittent fasting every day, listen to your body. You may not want to do it. Do it on days when you're feeling strong. Even if you do intermittent fasting every alternate day, even that would help you. Even if you do it only 2 days in a week, even that will help you. So see what works for you, but try incorporating intermittent fasting. Like I said, a 12-hour fasting window and a 12-hour eating window. Now that's what intermittent fasting is. Let's talk about the benefits associated with fat loss. Do you know the body starts to use stored body fat when the insulin levels in the body are lower? How is it that we can lower the insulin levels? Insulin levels are directly related to the amount of carbohydrates we consume. So if we are fasting, obviously the glycogen stores are depleted in the body because we're not eating. Carbohydrates are lower, so the insulin levels are also lowered. So lower the insulin levels, automatically higher is the body's capability of using stored fat for energy. Understand this. Alright, higher the insulin levels means that the body's ability to use stored fat for energy is really low. Alright, it would first consume those carbohydrates. So intermittent fasting, if you do that, your insulin levels are reduced. A 12-hour intermittent fasting also helps you lower your glycogen stores to almost half. Your liver glycogen stores are almost depleted even in a 12-hour fasting window. So your physiological changes, benefits that are associated with respect to fat loss will happen even if you're fasting for only 12 hours instead of doing it till 16. So that's the first and the most important reason why it helps you burn stored fat. Second, fasting, intermittent fasting is also associated with increased elevated growth hormone levels of the body. And elevated growth hormone levels basically are directly associated with losing body fat and building muscle mass. So what this means is that if you're fasting like this, your body's capability of packing muscle increases, and your body's ability to use stored fat for energy also increases. So if you have the right kind of training program and right nutrition with it, your body will definitely get into great shape. Alright, so these are two very important reasons that I wanted to share, and why I say intermittent fasting is one of the best tools to lose body fat. Alright, other benefits, this is not the only thing. Other benefits associated with intermittent fasting, type 2 diabetes can be reversed if you start fasting. It fights inflammation, so you would recover faster. You have reduced stress levels. Increased stress levels are directly related to a lot of other lifestyle diseases. So you would see an improvement there as well. Improve brain health, and you have a sharper memory if you are fasting. Your cardiovascular health improves, so you have lower LDL levels, total cholesterol goes down, your triglycerides go down, so extremely beneficial. It's also said that intermittent fasting may also help you with respect to preventing cancer and Alzheimer's. So multiple reasons why you should be doing it, even if fat loss is not the goal for you. Alright, so that's primarily the benefits. I'll talk about now how I have used intermittent fasting whenever I'm trying to lose body fat. The first and the most important thing that I take care of is I try keeping a calorie deficit. So I'm good with nutrition, I understand how many calories I need, I create a calorie deficit. Then if my last meal happens at 10 p.m., I will fast till 10 a.m. Now that's not very difficult to do. Even if I get up at 7 a.m., the only thing that I would have is a black coffee shot without sugar, like I said, no carbs, and that just kickstarts my day. Then when at 10 a.m., I would make sure that I work out. Now, depending upon my fitness goal or your fitness goal, you can choose the kind of workout that you want to do. I tend to do a lot of workout wherein I build some muscle or at least preserve muscle during my cutting cycle when I'm on a calorie restriction. So I will make sure that I work out, but I will also consume something that helps my body preserve muscle mass. So for that to happen, I will probably take a pre-workout supplement which is high on arginine and citrulline. And if I don't find such pre-workouts, I would buy an arginine supplement and a citrulline supplement, mix it up and drink it, and I will just train. I will probably have a black coffee shot along with it, and I'll just train. So now in this window, when I train, I feel whatever that I'm using for energy is stored body fat. I start feeling that my body is getting into great shape, and I start seeing really good results. Even if I do it for like 3-4 days, I start seeing my visual changes in my body. So that's what I do, fasting for 12 hours and then straight away get into working out. Now after the workout is done, then probably I'll take a shower and everything, and I'll have my first meal. My first meal is the biggest meal of the day. Now that helps me boost my metabolism. So I make sure that I'm consuming a high amount of protein and carbohydrates in this first meal. I kind of stay a little away from healthy fats when I have the first meal after my workout. Then I will have 2 more meals in the day. And when I have these meals split across the day, everything ends by 10 p.m. I will make sure that I reduce the amount of carbohydrates and incorporate healthy fats in the other 2 meals. Other than that, also, if I feel I need something else to munch on, I will grab onto a fruit. And again, the fruit that I take generally has to be a low GI, glycemic index fruit. So low GI foods are generally again associated with not having a spike in the insulin levels. So again, lower insulin levels results in the body's ability to burn fat throughout the day. So the carbs that I consume with respect to with my meals or the fruit that I consume generally are low GI fruits. So an apple is a great example of such fruit. So you can always Google and see what kind of fruits are these and what are the carbohydrate sources which have low glycemic index. So these are things that I take care of, and like I said earlier also, I try creating a calorie deficit. So if I do that, I definitely get into great shape really fast. Then let me talk about what I have seen for the clients that I've coached and who've been fasting and trained exactly like me in the fasting window using similar supplements. So I've seen that people who are able to create a calorie deficit, again, they get great results irrespective of what age group they belong to, even young, old, everybody. Also, another thing that I've observed it, not everybody is able to create a calorie deficit. So some of my clients are not able to create a calorie deficit, they eat maintenance. So even for such clients, I have seen their body composition change. I have seen visual changes in their body. The weight stays constant, but definitely the body has burnt more fat, and because their training was structured in a way that they don't lose muscle mass, they generally will pack on some muscle and lose fat and look far more better than before. So that's something that also I have observed. So even if you are not able to do create a calorie deficit, intermittent fasting in the long run will get you into great shape. So yeah, a few things. If you don't know how much protein to take, I have already made a video on the protein requirements for everybody. I will put a link for that video beneath this video. Watch that video, it will make some sense to you with respect to how you structure your nutrition plan. I have also made a video on fats as to what are the kind of fats and how much fat do you need in your body. Watch that video too. I'll also put a link for that video, so then you will know your protein and fats, how much you should consume. I've yet not made a video on carbohydrate, but I'll soon do that so that you have a better understanding of nutrition. And you obviously now know about intermittent fasting. Combine the two, see how it works for you. Lastly, I have made a book on fat loss. It's very basic, very simple, easily understandable. If you want to know more about fat loss, you may want to buy that book. I will put a link for that book again with this video. And if you're interested in taking personal trainings or have customized diet plans made for you, that too can be done. I'll put a link for that too. That's about it. It's not important that you buy the book, it's not important that you take personal trainings, but as long as the video is informational, you like it, try incorporating it, you will definitely get, you will see you are getting results if you follow it. If you have questions, ask me. I'll be more than happy to answer these questions for you. And if you like this video, definitely press the like button. If you like the content that I'm sharing, do subscribe, and I'll try making more videos which will help everybody understand fitness and be able to get fitter over a period of time. Yeah, so with that said, thank you so much, and all of you have a great day.